tell me at no point in your life that there was like a female you were like, man, like. Well, my bad, already have these handles. You see these handles? Well, I didn't do it with my boys. I still bought them to this very crazy thing.